Hello viewers, this is Kanis Rahman. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my cooking channel. In this video, I made some chicken patties. Those are really easy to make. It looks like so difficult, but it's not. Just see what I'm doing, so you can make your own burger at home. So let's get started. I'm making today chicken patties, so for this I took 3 pounds of chicken breast meat and then I put it in the grinder and grind them very nicely. After that I put it in the mixing bowl. Then I soak some bread in the milk and then I put it in the grinder or mixing jar to mix them up with the other seasoning. First I add 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of green chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt to taste. And here I took around 1 teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee. And then I mix them up. After that I'll add those mixing paste into the ground chicken. Then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Then I'm adding 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and mix them until those flour mixed up properly with the chicken and make it a nice dough. Here I took a small portion and make it at a flat size like a patty shape, and then I drop into the all-purpose flour bowl to make a first coat with all-purpose flour and make it a second coat with the eggs. Be careful when you are doing because it makes so soft the dough, and then do the third coat with breadcrumbs. I'm using fork to handle it because you will feel it. What you are feeling well, just do that way. And then I do one by one and set them into a dish. So I'm using my pizza pan. It's kind of have a flat surface and it's bigger, so it just hold all of them. And I really like this pan. With this one dish I using for many purposes, so that's worthy. I like this. That's my love. Now I'm frying them into the oil and I set my flame in a medium because it need to cook inside too. But don't worry about chicken gets cooked so fast, but if it's beef then maybe you have to cook them first before you grind them up. Here is one side is done, so I flip it up and I'll wait another 10 minutes to make it a light brown color. And also I check back time to time to make sure everything get the same color, because sometimes one side is not okay and another side is okay. So here is my patty. All are done. I serve them in my serving dish. You can keep it frozen for a month if you like, because you cannot finish them all together at a time. So keep frozen with the Ziploc bag. It will be okay for a month. Here you can make your own burger if you have ready your chicken patty. So Do your burger at home and share with your friends and family. I have another video how to make a burger, and also I wanna share with you how to make a Chick-fil-A burger, especially what they put inside. So if you like this video, subscribe my channel and see the next one. Thank you and bye bye.